Snap it, boy!
Ooh, that shit was a deal. Yo, this your boy DJ Lil Boy, the DJ for Nappy Boy. And I'm gonna tell you, man, a lot of people wanna wonder like how I do my thing, what I do before I get on stage, like what we do at Sound Check. This is how it goes down, you know what I'm saying? We get it in every day. This is not like pre-recorded. Got my bro right there, Tate Dism, if you need somebody to vouch for it. In the jam.
Definitely going down, man. You know what I'm saying? DJ Lil Boy, he do his thing, you know what I'm saying? That's before showtime. You already know it, man. I'm on the set, you know what I'm saying? I've been playing set for like 10 years. So you know what I'm saying? I'm doing my set thing, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
It's not a game. All we know how to do is just kill it.
When I'm walking past the mirror, just through the night at a time and my life ain't going if you feel it. Hell straight, got the vibe right, I ain't gonna let you kill it. I would change my life. Every time I hear something see when I have fun. But it's something about this joint right here. I just wanna let it go. Can't let this thing called out get away from you. Feel free right now, go do what you wanna do. Can't let nobody take it away from you, from me, we. No time for moping around. Are you kidding here? Ain't no time for negative. Cause I'm in this.
Yeah, that
I
shit
ain't
was
gotta say
hard.
no more. That's what it is. DJ Lil Boy, Tay Dism, Sound Check. Matter of fact, we might do a sound check. Stay tuned, nappyboyonline.com. DJ Lil Boy, the Nappy Boy DJ. That's what it is.